In today's video, I will show you how to unmatch someone on Tinder and report. Tinder introduced its safety toolkit features as part of an effort to give users greater control over their interactions and to crack down on bad actors across its platform. Because your security and comfort are paramount when navigating digital dating, taking this double step not only clears your chat list but also alerts human moderators to review the behavior. First, open your Tinder app and make sure you are logged in. Once on the homepage, click on the chat tab at the bottom. From your current messages list, open the conversation with the person you want to remove. Tap the three dots in the top right corner to open the safety toolkit. From the safety menu options that appear, tap Report. Select a reason for reporting, such as inappropriate messages, spam, or bad behavior, and follow the simple on-screen prompts to provide extra context. Once the report details are filled out, click Unmatch. Finally, confirm the action by tapping Yes, Unmatch. Taking this step permanently severs your connection, ensuring that your profiles will never cross paths in the app again. And that's it. That's how to unmatch someone on Tinder and report.